You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? I love this word. Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce it correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. It is simply pronounced as toes. This is the plural. If you want to learn the American pronunciation, I'll get to it in a second. The plural of the word toe, that, the fingers that you have on your feet, are toes. Note that there is a Z sound, a Z sound, a Z sound at the end. So it's not toes or toes, but rather toes. Toes. Could you hear this? Can you pronounce it correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.